Today, I'm going to give you a brief tour of the Red Clay Kindergarten registration website. In your search bar, you'll type in redclayschools.com and be directed to the home page. From the home page, you'll go to the For Families menu and the drop-down Kindergarten Registration. And once you click on that, you're here at the kindergarten registration website. If you do not know your attendance zone school, you can click on this link here for attendance zone and be directed to a separate site where you can enter your full resident address and be directed to your appropriate elementary, middle, and high schools. Once you know your attendance zone school, you can move on to collect the documents you need for registration. The page here lists the documents that we require here at Red Clay for registration, including examples for proof of residency. If you have any questions regarding the documents needed for registration, please reach out to your school office and they'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Once you have your documents, you can go back to the registration website and pick one of two options to register. You can register online, or you can download the packet information and take it directly to your school office. We'll take a moment to quickly review the online tool. Once here, you'll be directed to create an account for the first time using a valid email. There is a video tutorial here that is more in depth. Once you've received your login information, you can start your registration here. Registering a student for school. Currently, we're registering for the 2021-2022 school year. Continue and select Red Clay School District. At this page, you'll be able to enter your student's necessary information. And there's a quick box here to the right to show you where you are in the process. When it's time to upload your documents, you can do so using a smartphone or a computer scanner. Once this information is completed and you have submitted it, you'll receive a confirmation email from your child's school, and if necessary, they may reach out to you for any questions they have regarding the registration. You may also fill out a paper packet and take it directly to your school. If you prefer to print out your information, you can do so in English or in Spanish. We'll quickly review the English. The cover sheet again tells you the information needed for registration, and then you can print out the student data card and the other supporting documents for registration. Once you have this information completed, please take it to your school zone office. Your school also has these documents available to pick up if you'd prefer to go directly to the school. If you require additional information or have other questions, please call your school directly and they'll be happy to help you answer those questions. And again, there are two ways to register. You can register online or you can register in person. Thank you for participating in this brief tour today. We're so happy to have you and your family here at the Red Clay School District.